What's up guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to crop an image into a shape on Canva PC. So the first thing that you need to do is to bring your image to the blank, like so. So for example, let's say we want to crop this photo into a triangle, and to do that all we have to do is to go to elements, then we're gonna search for frame, like so. Then we're at frames, we're gonna click on see all. And now, as you can see, we have a lot of frames we can choose from. So let's make that picture a triangle, like this one. We're gonna click on triangle frame. Then what we want to do is to drag the photo into the frame, like so. And as you can see now, we have a triangle photo. Also, if you double click on it, you can resize the image, or you can change the position of the initial image, which will affect the frame, as you can see, or we can move it to the right, like so. Also, you can choose any frame you want. For example, you can choose this one too. Also, you have to drag the picture that you want to cut it into the frame, like so. And as you can see, we just cut a picture into a frame on Canva PC. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.